One day, those skates are gonna be mine. Oh. And I'm gonna look so cool.
You lost that chance when you broke the rule.
The skates can wait until you earn back our trust.
Look at this turn! That was awesome! Maybe I could get them by my birthday. That's still too far away. I would skate past everyone like a star. Even Jack would be jealous. What was that? Wine.
Oh, wow. You look really bad. Wine.
If I sold you, I could maybe get skates. That's a big idea. No one's gonna buy you like this. You need food first. Okay, little guy, let's fix you up. That sounded weird, but still helpful. Easy, easy, no one is stealing it. You were really hungry, huh? Okay, I guess I'll come back tomorrow. Guess who's back with snacks? Wow, now you know me. That's kind of nice. Come on, let us race to the tree. Good job, buddy. Arf, arf. Good job, buddy. Look how fast these go. Cool, I guess. Watch this speed. I still want those skates so bad. Like, really bad. You are healthy now. Maybe now someone would buy you. Hi, do you want a dog?
That is not usually how people start conversations.
He is friendly and stronger now. He does seem sweet. I knew you would see that. I will take good care of him. Okay. Thank you. I want those black ones.
Good choice. Those are popular.
I really like them.
Fantastic.
I finally got them. So why do I feel weird? Okay, left foot, right foot, do not fall. This is harder than it looked. It feels strange not stopping here. I thought the skates would fix that. I wanted these so much. But I kind of miss you more. Buddy! You came back! I missed you so much.
There you are. Oh no.
Can I keep him?
I am sorry, son, not like that.
Bye, buddy. Wine. I can give the skates back, please.
No, that is not how this works.
I wanted you more than anything. Now I would trade you away in 1 second.
Take this bag to number 12. Got it. Fast delivery coming through.
Bottle by bottle, job by job, I will do it. Why is money so slow? I am working like 3 tiny jobs. This is what I have so far. I know you care, but no. Why can I not fix this? Oh. I made one selfish choice, and now everything hurts. I know this is wrong. But I really want you back. Come on, buddy, just one quiet walk. Whine. I know this is wrong, but I really want you back. Buddy, where are you? Come back, please. Oh no. She needs you too. I wanted you back so badly. But I cannot do this to her. Buddy, I cannot find you. Go to her. Arf. Oh, hello there. You are the boy from the street, right? Yeah, I am Tom. Buddy knows you really well. He used to be my friend before I made a bad choice. You sound sad. Because I miss him, and because I was selfish. He likes you, so you cannot be all bad. That is the nicest thing anyone said to me today. So that is what is happening out here.
I can explain, and it is not a good explanation.
I sold him, bought skates, then wanted him back. That is a messy story, but at least it is honest now. Mom, I like Tom. I can see that. I do not have to lose him forever? Buddy walks faster when you are here. He probably knows I bring energy. He looks really happy. Yeah, I think we both do. I wanted skates so much, but they were not worth losing him. Sometimes the wrong prize teaches the right lesson. You sound like you are fighting the ground. The ground and I have a complicated relationship. I can see that. Okay, this feels better now. Because now you are not alone. I am glad I did not take you away. Arf! I missed you so much, buddy. See you tomorrow, Tom.